This is Project Big Sky, an ECD custom Land Rover Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in full gloss Fiat Light Blue with silver accents. Project Big Sky sits on 18-inch Sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres, classic front bumper with worn winch, 4 LED spotlights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Big Sky features an Evander wooden steering wheel with all American gauges, Corbeau Trailcat front and mid-row seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond, hides Lamborghini Cuoio Olympus leather, stitched together in black and sumac. Big Sky is powered by our LT1 455 horsepower engine with 8-speed auto transmission. To learn more about this vehicle or to discover how you can have your own custom-built classic vehicle, contact ECD Auto Design today.